Uninstall the side panel. Remove the panel. Use a 7mm nut driver to remove the bolts. Use a 7mm nut driver to remove the bolts. Lower the glove box. Careful not to stress the hoses and wires still connected. Disconnect the light. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Reinstall the 2 bolts. Reinstall the 2 bolts. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the side panel by aligning the tabs.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.